this is Hans with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we got one that came from Evergreen Asian Market up in Everett, Washington. This is Vifon with their Mien Suon. I don't know, but it's a instant bean thread pork rib flavor. So this hails from Vietnam. Found it interesting, so here we are. And that's what we're doing. What can I tell you? What can I tell you? And our water is at a valiant hot temperature. So this one gets steeped for 3 minutes. We'll see how this bean thread does. Get in there! There you go. And then we've got a powder-based sachet. I'm really excited. So I guess either today or next Friday, my wife will be bringing home a computer and we'll start working, doing her job from home. That's rad. I swear I just heard the my Amazon Echo in the living room just start talking about Pokemon. What the frick was that? What? I don't know. It's talking again. Now I really want to investigate. This is weird. There's no reason it should be making any noise. I don't know. It's very strange. I hear a very robotic voice talking to me from the living room. Okay, whatever. So there's that. I got my spoon. I got my fork and my spoon. We'll give this a little swizzle. We're gonna start the timer. And away we go. And it just does its things for 3 minutes. Bean thread, huh? I've got another one that has an interesting noodle in it. Next, it has a buckwheat noodle, but it's Chinese, which is kind of odd. So, yeah, I went out and walked a bit. It's like on either side of where my legs connect to my body. It hurts like a son of a bitch. I don't know why. I mean, I do walk a lot. Did something. I really don't know what, but it was done, and now I am unhappy about whatever I did, but it hurts. I'm thirsty. I want a beverage, dang it. Oh, I'll have some of that beverage. Let me guess. No, that's one of her beverages. There. My wife likes the strawberry fizzy water beverages. I do not. I don't know what they're supposed to taste like, but they're weird. And they explode. All of these stupid beverages explode. They're from Walmart. I know, right? And math is weird. And I'll tell you why. Great. So, look at this right here. Okay. Let's angle the camera down slightly. Back up a little bit. All right. Calories, 0 per serving, 10 for the whole thing. How does that work? It's 0 for a serving, but it's 10 for the whole thing. So I have one thing that is 0. I've got 10 things that are 0. 0 plus 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 0 is 0. Frickin'. I'm an instant noodle reviewer, folks. I am not a mathematician by any stretch of the imagination. However, I know that that is complete BS. And I am... You should call your congressman immediately. It might not be a man. Be a lady. Call your congressional representative and ask for transparency on fizzy water bottles from Walmart. I don't think it's just Walmart. I think it's all of them. There. Here is our mung bean. Pork rib flavor. There's the broth. That's exceptionally good. What a strange day. That was like the last thing I thought I would be saying about this. But yeah, truly, that is exceptionally good. I like that. Wow. I expect to say, it's kind of salty and weird and I'm just not a fan. No, I'm a fan. Definitely a fan of that. So, it's reckoning day for mung bean sprouts and got some pork. Use some pork here. Ooh, a box just arrived in the mail room, I have no doubt. Just use a piece of barbecue pork right there. I know, it's not ribs, whatever. That's in the dishwasher. I like to use my special blade. I'll use this one today. Well, that's not my eggs. That is leftover fried rice we made last night, ladies and gentlemen, and it was exceptional. Oh, where am I? Hey! Hey! Uh-oh, they got kind of pushed to the back. Oh, no! All right. Here are the eggs of exceptionalness. Excuse me. I got some pretzels when I was at the store, and I like to mention when I find something that's really good. They're Stellar Foods pretzels. They're Maui onion, and they're exceptionally good. That's all I'm going to say. They try to show themselves as a mom and pop on the package, but you go to their website, and it's like they show you this enormous industrial complex. Me and my mother started this company in 2018 to put passion into pretzels and blah, blah, blah. like, dude, you have like a world certified style factory going on there. I think the passion kind of left the building. Did you start making this for selling them at craft fairs or something, and then you decided, hey, you know, we do have that extra $1 trillion hanging around to make a high production facility in the middle of Nevada. That's amazing. Because that's the vibe I'm getting. I don't know. But anyways, yeah, this stuff, excellent. Really. I'm enthused. Very enthusiastic. Very happy with this one. Oh. All right, ladies and gents, the next one you're gonna see is from Haichi-cha, and this is a buckwheat and chili oil noodle from China, and it's got your friend and mine, Bobby Yip, on the packaging. So that'll be on the next episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. It's been Oz the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.